Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I'll show you how to change router password. Just go to settings and now click connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Then go to Wi-Fi section. There is a setting logo, just click it. Go to manage router option. The default username and password is admin. Now login. Left corner wireless and select wireless security. Wireless password is here. Just retype your password. And now save. Notice that the Wi-Fi signal has gone. Now go to Wi-Fi and just press your Wi-Fi name. Go to details. Just press and click forget network. Press again and select connect to network. Give the reset password. Now select connect. Notice that the Wi-Fi logo has come. Thanks a lot.